Next up, team player for Black Mouse. All we need to do here is hold Alt or whatever key it is for you or button and request to join nearby enemy operators. The best way to do this is by loading into a map solo, then activating it pretty much as soon as you get in game, and once in a while just randomly trying to press it. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. As you can see here, even though I was trying to be friendly with these people, they didn't really like me anyways, but because I requested it twice, it was counted and the mission was finished on my behalf, even though we weren't friends after all. It's an annoying mission to get, for sure, as it just randomly seems to work and randomly doesn't, but at least when you spam it enough around other random players, then sometimes it'll count and work, like it did for me here. It counted 2 and 1, I died. Back here in the main menu, you can see it's completed. Anyways, that's about it for the super quick guide. Thank you all for watching, mine has been Technobi here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!